Alright then, so just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame. As we can see, very much looking like it's starting to play out as I predicted. Huge bullish divergences at the low, just like we've seen for so many cryptos. Obviously, this downtrend resistance has been broken by this big fat Burj Khalifa price action. We came back inside of the resistance, but we've actually bounced again at this level. And you can see quite clearly, lots of buying coming in at these levels here. You can see down at these levels, we actually have come down, tried to fill the previous wick. We've got this breakout of the resistance yet again. We've come down and now we're back testing into this level of structure here, forming some support in this local area down here, in and around, we would look at 37, 38 cents. This is down now from $3 all-time high. Very much looking like it's completely smashed down. You can see, obviously I don't have the full chart history. I had to switch from my Poloniex chart because I think they've delisted it and it's lost. Basically, that's the only one with the full price history for Polygon. But you can see the all-time high up here. We basically came down in our bear market. We've come down to retest that low just like a lot of altcoins have. Really flushing people out of the markets before that big move to the upside. But overall, some incredible buying opportunities in my opinion, averaging into the markets for the long term. I think a few of these are going to be big winners. There's still people out there that think Polygon could go to 10, maybe even $20 in the long term if it does start to pick up in the bull market. Obviously, that does seem a bit of a stretch considering how overextended to the downside we are. But I think at least getting back up towards all-time highs and a little bit beyond it for Polygon would be an absolute win, which would be around a 10x from the current price. Very nice indeed for a crypto of this stature. And I think a lot of cryptos are going to shape up like that for now. But in the local area, we are looking basically at a big fat W double bottom, just like a lot of cryptos are putting in. I've seen a few cryptos already playing this out and getting a big reversal. I think it's only a matter of time until we see the whole altcoin market starting to do this. Like and subscribe for more.